All right, guys, so today's round 2 of trying to degree the cam on the 351 Cleveland. We got our usual set of tools from the last video with the addition of our actual piston stop so that I can avoid kind of that lull in the rotation where the piston is at top dead center for several degrees. And more importantly, we've got an actual lifter dial. So this goes into the hole in place of the lifter, and this gets a reading directly off of the cam lobe versus me trying to hang that magnetic base and dial indicator in there. So we're gonna go ahead and find top dead center again just to make sure everything is where we think it is. We'll back it off 50 thousandths of an inch, put our piston stop in, which means I gotta find head studs first. No problem. I've got some hanging out in my random bin of bolts. But anyway, I am dead set on getting this camshaft degreed today. If I come up with weird like 30 degrees off again, I'm just gonna take this into the machine shop and see if they can knock this out. All right, so we've got our tools ready. So the first thing I'm gonna do is start cranking this until we back out. And I'm basically gonna wait to see when this dial stops moving, just like we did before. Make sure we're center on that. Yeah. Now that we got it at our top, we're gonna back it out 50 thousandths. So there, we're back. We backed it out 50 thousandths. So now, move this out of the way, and we'll put our piston stop on. We're gonna have to torque it down super tight. Just gotta get it on there enough. All right, so right now we are at 25 degrees. Now we'll rotate it back the other way, and we should stop at 25 degrees on the other side as well. And we stopped at 1 degrees. So now we need to make this half of that, half of 24. Let's move it 12 degrees. Should be on 12. Going back this way as well. Boom. There we go. Check back this way. $13 this way. For me, that's close enough. So now we can remove this. Okay, so the next step is going to be to set this back to 0 on our dial indicator. We'll throw our lifter bore gauge in there, and we'll find 0 on that. Okay, so now we got our tools in. We got our gauges in. Put 0 on the crank. Now we're going to turn over till we find center, our base lobe. Which it looks like we were already on. So we'll put that at 0 right there. So what that just means is that we're resting on our center lobe. We'll get our card out. I already know we should be at a 110 intake Centerline. But we'll see how far they want us to back off. I'm pretty sure it's 50 thousandths of an inch. So let's go. 50 thousandths. This way. Overshot it. We're gonna go back down. Boom. And we have, we'll call it 140 and a half. Let me go grab my pen. All right, so we're at 140 and a half. Now we'll go back the other way. And we'll call it 10. That gives us 150. Divide that by 2. Definitely not what we should be getting. We'll rotate this to max lift. So when it's at its highest. All right, so now we'll continue over. What we got there? 50. Two. 53. I'm pretty sure I'm messing this up this entire time because I have been adding 180 to everything. So I'll go after. We'll call that 79. 179. That's at 116. I don't know, I think our cam might just be in wrong. Hey guys, thanks for watching the channel. I hope you've been enjoying the content. I just want to take a moment to ask you guys, please subscribe to the channel. Don't miss out on your chance to win something out of one of our giveaways. Every 500 subscribers, up until we reach 2,500, we will be giving away an item. So something like an NRG steering wheel, another Chase-based product. I don't know. Just know that with every giveaway, we'll be going bigger and better than the previous giveaway. And again, that's every 500 subscribers. We'll be doing the giveaway. All you have to do is subscribe to the channel. Follow us on Instagram so you can keep up with where we stand on the giveaways and what items are being given away. And thanks for the support, guys. We appreciate it. I don't know, I think our cam might just be in wrong. Like 10 degrees. I don't believe this to be a multiple keyway sprocket. Oh wait, it is. So we're 10 degrees retarded. So now we gotta pull this off, drop it back. Sweet. Well, all right guys, I think I got it about as close as I can get it. It took a little bit of just finessing where the dots line up. They're actually slightly off-centered, the dots on the cam gear and the crank gear. However, we managed to drop from 29 to 19 to 16 to 9 and now down to, we should be 3 degrees off. So just to check it, we're at top dead center. I've got 0 marked. We're going to go to max lift, so we're watching the dial indicator here. A bit more. And we are at max lift. Then we're gonna go 50 thousandths past that. That gives me 39 and a half, which is what I've been getting. So a little bit past that. Now we're gonna go back to max lift and 50 thousandths past that in the other direction. And that's gonna give me 166. So we'll get our calculator. 39.5 plus 166, 205.5 divided by 2. It's 102.75, or we'll round it up to 103. According to our cam card, our intake Centerline should be 106. I'm honestly just tired of trying to finesse this cam gear. So I think we want to stick it with having just a little bit of advance on the timing. But it's a lot of swinging from the cam gears, from where we started. So Corey, when you see this, I tried, dude. You're just gonna have to live with having an advance on your timing. And for the rest of you guys, that's not going to change much about the power output. It's just going to change where that power comes on in the RPM range. And with advanced timing, I want to say you should get a little more low end torque. Don't quote me on that. So, all right, let's just call it quits right here. I'm tired and I'm hungry and I need a beer.